Innovative Piano has 3 workbook formats. In a date format workbook, the workbook is organized by dates. In a unit subject workbook, it is organized by headings that the teacher creates. An Innovative Piano format workbook is a type of unit subject workbook and is organized by the curriculum order that we recommend. When you created your workbook, you are asked to choose one of these formats. If you decide that you want to try a different workbook format, you don't need to start from scratch. You can change formats from date to subject or from subject to date. You cannot, however, change to the Innovative Piano format. To change workbook formats, go to Workbooks I Am Teaching on the main navigation bar, and from the Workbook toolbox, choose Change Workbook Format. You will see a warning message that explains the options. When changing from date to unit format, the new workbook will populate with the specified number of units and remove all lesson dates, leaving all lessons unscheduled. You will need to move the lessons where you wish them to appear. When changing from unit to date format, the new workbook will populate your specified calendar schedule and remove all the unit subject headings, leaving all lessons unassociated. If you wish to proceed, close the box and complete the form. As you can see, I have a new workbook with new subject headings, and all my lessons appear unassociated on the left. I'll have to move them where I want them to appear. When I change formats, I will have created a new workbook with a new join code. My original workbook will not be affected. Your new workbook will be listed as in progress until you get all the lessons moved from the left side to their respective dates or units.